Hi guys, I am Solomon from Kovacs Group. Let me tell you about the latest CCTV cameras installation on this bad boy. Come with me. So we have fitted 1, 2, 12 high definition cameras throughout this double-decker bus, each recording live 24 hours, 7 days a week. It has an inbuilt microphone that records every conversation throughout this bus. This aids us in case there's an accident on this bus. The footage can be easily reviewed. Cool, right? Also, you should know that Mr. Robert Kovacs is watching.